Introducing the new Brewi Eligo beverage solution. With its curved features, touchscreen interface, and compact design, its elegant look will enhance any establishment. But it's what's inside that sets the Eligo apart from other beverage machines. Designed from the ground up to be easily accessed for servicing and maintenance, the Eligo brings together innovative features with premium components from some of Europe's most respected manufacturers, resulting in flexible and reliable machine operation that is easy to monitor and support. Featuring high-quality Italian pressure boiler and valve system, Swiss variable brewer and grinder, a configurable modular platform that supports many beverage options, the Eligo delivers in quality of vended product and operational reliability. End-user operation of the Eligo is provided in either static, capacitive or fully dynamic touchscreen operation, with the opportunity to present media advertising during beverage dispensing. For service operation, the Eligo incorporates sophisticated control and monitoring features for remote, worry-free operation, including remote interface change, remote recipe adjustment, and full telemetry of machine operation, monitored from anywhere in the world. Discover the Brewi Eligo today. Ask for a demonstration or download our brochure. The Brewi Eligo. All round a superior beverage solution.